Hi, this is Bill. So in this demo, I'll be showing you how I could help you transition from Mac from a Windows machine. So commonly, you are used to Windows Explorer, and now you are using the Mac and the Apple Finder. And the Apple Finder is the equivalent of a Windows Explorer on the Windows machine. And from the previous videos, I showed you how to navigate around the Apple Finder. And now I'll show you how to add tools inside the Apple Finder. So easily you could right click and you could customize the toolbar. So now you could see on the lower end of the view of the navigator on what's on the icons on top, right? So like the search, right? The icons on the left, back and forward, right? As I move down, you'll see the show drop down. So you could actually change to text, right? Or basically icon and text, depending on your liking, icon only. Now, to be able to add, for example, you would like to add a delete icon. So you could see that I will just drag it and put it as part of my header, right, in the Apple Finder. And I could remove as well if needed be. So that's what I want. And let's say I would like to add share right in there. So let's say I'm done on what I'd like to be included. As I click done, you will see it's already available. As I click, the share button will be highlighted and it will give you different options already on where you want to bring your file or your image. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you on my next video.